Today we have the Melissa and Doug coffee set. This is the wooden brew and serve coffee set, 11 pieces for ages 3 and up. Let's check it out. Okay. Okay. I was really excited to get this because I love coffee in the morning. I'm a mom of 3 and mommy needs her coffee. So let's see what this has. This is really adorable. This is so cute. Okay, so here's our little coffee maker. It kind of opens up so that you can pretend like you're getting your coffee in there. It's got a little button here to kind of get things started, right? And then on this side, it has this little knob so you can determine what size coffee you want to have, whether it's just a little one just to get your day started a little bit, or maybe you had a rough night with your newborn and you need a full cup there. Very cute. Okay. Now we're going to open up this cute wooden cup, just a little cute little mug. Just pop it in there. Cute little Keurig set. Let's see what else. We have our little K-cup style coffee pods. Looks like we have a few different flavors. Maybe you like a lighter roast or a dark roast, medium. Cute little options. Oh, this is cute. Just a little carton of milk. Everything is made out of wood. I really like that. I love that about Melissa and Doug. When they make a set that's wooden, it's wooden. This would be a little spoonful of sugar. Cute. We get an extra mug for you and a friend. Cute. Little wooden spoon to give everything a stir. Oh, and I'm assuming this would be a little sugar cube maybe. Or maybe it's an ice cube. Maybe make iced coffee. It could be either. That's the great thing about Melissa and Doug. Use your imagination. Anything goes. Okay. Now the last little thing in here, it's a little play card. So you can take a coffee order, can mark things. The great thing about these plastic cards that Melissa and Doug usually incorporates into any kind of their play sets like this is that you can mark on it. You can use a pencil and it will erase or wipe away pretty easily. And I very rarely experience long-lasting marks. So reusable, you can always reuse and keep having the fun. So this is great. This is perfect for a little play kitchen or completely on its own too. You can set it up near maybe your kitchen and your child can make their coffee alongside of you. Really cute. I always like sets like this that incorporate real life. Really cute.